Ikambareshwara Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva in Kanchipuram, representing the earth element, with a towering 11-story southern Gopuram and a rich history dating back to at least the 7th century CE. The Rajagopuram of Ikambareshwara Temple is particularly noteworthy for its height and architectural beauty. Rising several stories high, it dominates the skyline of Kanchipuram and serves as a landmark for pilgrims and visitors. The Rajagopuram is adorned with intricate carvings depicting various gods, goddesses, and divine beings, showcasing the artistic skill of the craftsman who created it. The temple's history dates back over 1,200 years. It is believed to have been originally built by the Pallava dynasty in the 7th century AD and later expanded by the Chola and Vijayanagara dynasties. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known here as Ikambareshwara or Ikambaranatha. The name Ekambareshwara is derived from Ekam, meaning one, and Ambu, meaning mango, referring to the legend of Shiva worshipping a mango tree in the temple premises. The tank is called Shivaganga, which translates to the sacred waters of Shiva. It is located within the temple precincts, typically near the main shrine of Lord Ikambareshwara. Ikambareshwara Temple in Kanchipuram is a majestic sanctuary where ancient spirituality and architectural splendor converge, inviting devotees to immerse themselves in divine grace and timeless beauty.